Hello all, I'm Becky and welcome to my kitchen. It is Friday, the sun is shining, it's such a beautiful day. I've been out working in the yard and I thought, let me make some chicken salad. It's supposed to be for lunch, but it's getting kind of late, so it's probably going to be dinner. But I wanted to show y'all Sam's best kept secret that's not a secret. You can get these 4 chicken breasts here. Next day, rotisserie chicken breast. If you've seen my grocery haul videos, I buy these all the time for $3.98, and it's such a great deal. Look how big those are. I like to get these, and I will put them in the freezer like in separate baggies. I'll use them to make stuff. Today, I will be using these to make some chicken salad. It's been forever since I've made chicken salad, but I've never had chicken salad with egg in it. But I saw a recipe that I wanted to try, and it had egg in it. Now, I love egg salad, so I thought, well, I'll probably like that. When my grandma Hazel made chicken salad, she put grapes in it and nuts, and it was so good, which I love that. But this is just something different I'm going to try. It's pita bread that I got from Sam's. That's what I'm going to be making my sandwiches with. These chicken breasts have so much fat on. That fly was getting on my nerves. Anyway, they have, did I say so much fat? So much meat on them. The chicken skin, I do love to eat the chicken skin, but I won't be using that for my chicken salad. There's my chicken. My rotisserie chicken, got it all cut up. Got everything chopped up here already. I'm gonna chop those almonds up just a bit more and put some of those in there. Dropping my egg in here. Diced up just a little bit of onion. I don't like too much onion when it's not sauteed. Celery. Here's are some almonds. They're already slivered, so I'm just gonna break them up a little bit. And some mayo. I got this at Dollar General because it was 75 cents cheaper than Hellmann's. But it is mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. Remember that in Officer and a Gentleman? Mayonnaise. Okay. Well, you probably haven't seen it.
I'm about to leave.
And the recipe I saw, it called for lemon pepper. Oh, looks pretty. Paprika. I'm just putting this in here because I like it. I wanted y'all to see that before I mixed it up because I just thought it looked pretty. What I will miss is that sweet taste of like the grapes. Now, I do have some dried cranberries. Those would probably be good in this. I may try that. Oh, I've got plenty enough mayonnaise in there for me. I really just like enough to kind of hold it together. See what it might need. Salt. I'm going to use a little bit of this Lowry's garlic salt. Oh, dang it. Opened up the wrong end. Great. Okay. I'm going to have to fix that. Good job, Becky. Good job. Flies bugging me to death. At least I can kind of just scrape it off the top. As I was going to say, you don't want to add too much salt because the rotisserie chicken already has salt in it. It's a little more salt than what I wanted, but it's not too salty though. But I do think that I'm going to add some of the some cranberries to it because I just think it'd be good, and plus it kind of break up some of the salt that's in there. I like the cranberries. So I want to show y'all what it looked like in the bowl. Jacob said he thought those were flies in there. My cranberries. Got a lot of flies in there. Okay, so now I'm gonna make my sandwich. Why ain't that coming apart? What the heck? 12 flatbread pita. This doesn't come apart. Okay.
Thought it came apart.
I thought it came apart. I guess it doesn't come apart. I guess those are called pocket pitas. I haven't bought pita bread in forever, but I mean, I just thought all pitas came apart.
Are you gonna stuff it in the middle?
I can't. What do you mean? Make a sandwich? I'll have to make a sandwich out of it.
Or you can roll it up.
Well, I'll probably just make a sandwich out of it, I guess. That's what I'm gonna have to do. Oh, I'll be daggone. I swear.
What?
Just cut my finger.
Bad?
Well, look. I mean, tell you.
Why do you do that so much? You cut your finger more than me.
I mean, I cut the heck out of that. That's pretty deep.
Are you
I
gonna act
cut
like it
the
didn't happen?
heck. I mean, I can't act like it didn't happen because I have to finish my video. I have had more injuries in the kitchen. I was just recovering from the last injury to the same finger where I was sharpening a knife.
Does it hurt?
Yeah, it's not like unbearable, but can't even make my sandwich until the blood slows down a little bit. But I really got a heck of a cut on my finger. Not that y'all want to see this, but blood all over the floor. Oh well. The show must go on. So I can show y'all what I do whenever I cut my finger and I'm in the kitchen and I still got to do stuff. So, first aid in the kitchen 101. Survival kit. Jacob, will you bring me one of those gloves over here? The small size. Yeah, just one. One's fine. Here's my... It's bleeding like a sieve. Okay, thank you. A Band-Aid would work also, but this is going to be good like this because Band-Aids that I have, the padding on them wouldn't be big enough for the amount of blood that's being spilled. I just got a piece of tape. All right. Okay. I'll tape it that way. Get a glove, cut a finger off, and then do that. To cover that up, because that way you can still wash your hands and the Band-Aid or your dressing isn't getting all nasty and dirty and stuff. So that's what I do whenever I cut my finger. Okay, so now I will wash my hands and I will make my sandwich with my bread that I thought was a pita, and it's not. So this is the culprit. What I was opening when I sliced the heck out of my finger. That's the kind of lettuce I gotta use. Only kind I have in the house. Okay, my hands are clean, by the way. Look at my little spatula I got from TJ Maxx. Little tiny one. So cute. I had a lot of mishaps in this video, that's for sure. What's new, though? What's new? So here is my chicken salad sandwich. Finally. That is good. And I like the cranberries in it too, because it really makes up for not having the grapes in it. That little bit of sweetness. Hopefully my next video will go much smoother than this one. That would be nice. But until then, I will see y'all in my next video.